So if you're struggling to make music videos, you came to the right place, because today we're going to make a music video from start to finish using Cremi AI. There are a lot of music video programs out there, and Cremi AI claims to be the best. And we're going to put that to the test today. So a client reached out to me and asked me to create a music video with his son's song. Hey, make sure you like and subscribe to Dynamic AI Tech, because we find the best free or highly discounted AI generation programs, because my goodness, we know how expensive costs can get. So let's dive in and find out how well this program can create viral music videos. And this is new. Cremi now gives you templates. You can pick by starting a template and create short MVs, which is short music videos, which potentially could go viral. So this program is worth checking out. But I will say this, it is not a cheap program, and no AI program is cheap. So consider it as an investment in your business. Okay, so let's just take a quick look on the left side of this panel, and you have the flow generator, and this is where we're gonna create our music videos. Chat generator, lip sync studio, motion control, and then my assets are in here. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go right to flow generator, and then we're gonna go ahead and create a new video. All right, we have to select a file, and here it is. Okay, and let's go from the top to the bottom here. If you wanted to just create a music video from a section, this is where you would do that. And it looks like there's a lot of dead air in here. So I'm gonna grab this and slide this all the way to the end of the actual song. All right, we got that. And now, okay, and then we could add a prompt to this video. Right now, I'm just gonna let the software do its magic. And the best way to do this is to actually enter a prompt, but the gentleman who is hiring me never gave me a prompt. All right, our aspect ratio is gonna be 16:9 in movie format, music video format. And we wanna create this as realistic, not 3D and not anime. And C-Dance Pro, that's fine. Well, let's see what else we have here. Kling 3.0, VO3 fast, VO3 1080p, 24 seconds. Okay, let's keep going. I think I want to use VO3. I'm looking for realism here. So we're going to go with VO3 1080p. And then our characters, yes, the gentleman sent me an image of his son and one of the collaborators. Let's add another one. And then we're going to let's add his friend. All right, looks like we have the characters uploaded here. And so let me get rid of this one, and let's get rid of this one here. So now I just have the two guys. This is the main artist, and this is the friend. All right, and we're gonna do, let's see, 27 scenes in 6 seconds each. That's fine. And then when we start the generation, this is gonna bring us to our storyboard. All right, so let's go ahead and create our storyboard. All right, step 2. All right, so that was just the music analysis, and let's see what we have here. Hip hop rap, trap, gangster rap, underground hip hop. Yep, gritty, confident. Yep, visual style suggestions, dynamic handheld tracking shots. Yeah, that looks good. And then let's go with the lyrics analysis. Lyrics are rapid fire delivery detailing the harsh realities of street life. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and create our storyboard. All right, so let's take a look at the storyboard. Wow, okay. Wow, not bad. Okay. Pretty good. Oh my goodness. This did a pretty good job. Okay, okay. So let's see. I like them all. I mean, I can change these if I want. I can regenerate these. It would cost me 13 credits to regenerate. So let's go ahead. I think we're good. Let's go ahead and generate the video. And this is going to cost about 3,800, 3,900 credits. All right, let's do it. Okay, all the video generations are done. Let's see, let's take a look. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and create the final video. Alrighty, so we're done, and we're not gonna watch the whole thing. We're gonna scrub through it. Let's take a listen, let's take a look.
Raw student, why why you pump faking? When my words hit their ears, they fake. I was down up on my nuts, I had to make a way. But it's gonna be okay. I pray to God that I will never see an early grave. Okay, I told my brother, stand your ground and you gon' beat that case. Man, we touched down, and little bro, we moving crazy. Put the hood down. Keep it solid when them police start to come around. Trying to make that long money, that's gonna stay around. Making trips, boarding flights, we state to state now. Dead faces, and yeah, honor roll student. Why you pump fake in my jeans and make the ground shake? And watch him switch up on his brother, that got it, they don't feel the same.
Never went being one heaven, now I'm being heaven. You active, I'm a Glock blaster, ice rock snatcher. Probably would've kept his chain if he just stopped yapping. Told her brother let it bang.
All right, not too bad. Actually came out pretty good. And again, I used VO3 for this. Every model is going to generate a little bit different, so you may have to experiment with different models before you go full-fledged with a full music video. But yeah, this is Cremi. I'm going to have to use CapCut to overlay captions on this video for my client. I'm going to send it over to him, see what he thinks about it. And also let me know what you thought about this video. Again, it's not too bad. I would like it if it had the options to add the captions, but it doesn't have that. Also has this watermark on the top left that I do not think that we can remove. So again, if you haven't already done so, hit that like and subscribe button. We have a lot of really cool videos coming up shortly, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.